Hello viewers and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. We continue to take a look on what is happening in the nation Zimbabwe without fear, without favor. And we are taking a look on this story of a lady who was brutalized by the police in Harare. One of the Avondale brutalized by police and broke her leg. This is the story we need to take a look upon. It's so said that politics led to this brutality simply because of political differences, simply because people were celebrating whatever they were celebrating at a private residence, and someone sitting from the State House just felt unease with those young people celebrating, having fun and talking to each other. And this is Tambuzai Makororo. So we are taking a look on the story of Tambuzai Makororo, one of the Avondale 78. She was brutally beaten by the police Zimbabwe and sustained a broken leg. And she then finally went through a surgery to repair the fracture on her left leg. And this came after multiple attempts by officials to prevent her from receiving the necessary operation. These are ZANU-PF officials who tried at all costs to prevent her from receiving this treatment and the necessary operation. Instead of sending her to hospital for her to be medically attended, they were bringing her to court just like that. Guys, imagine, muna achikoka gumbo, and you are bringing somebody to court in pain. Imagine, guys, marwadzo ranenge achiita miiri iyoyo. So, Dr. Norman Matara of the Zimbabwe Association of Doctors for Human Rights confirmed to ZimLive that prison officials eventually allowed her to undergo surgery on her left leg, as they had warned that she had a 21-day window for the procedure, after which the injury may have become irreparable. So, whilst in custody, Makororo tragically lost her son and also was denied permission to attend his burial and pay her last respects. So Makororo, along with Senator Jameson Timber, Councillor Jason Kautsa, Teacher Ondongwa, and the other Avondale 78 have now spent a record 24 days in pre-trial detention. And we are continuously praying for them, and we continue to demand unconditional release of these comrades. So they didn't commit any crime, but the regime as it is, as brutal as it is, they continue to harass them, to torture them, and to expose them to inhuman treatment conditions. So this is it. This is the lady right here. Take a look on these young ladies, guys, on the picture there. Young, harmless ladies who are simply being victimized by senile people who are threatened by this new generation of people. It's said, Team Zimbabwe, that this is happening. Take a look. Munhu achikoka gumbo and ari kutoenda mukoti akaberekwa nevamwe. These people are an embarrassment to humanity. Honestly, they are doing what we chased Ian Smith for doing. This is what they are doing. And you wonder kuti sei umwe wako werudzi rwako akangoita sewe achiita maitiro akadaro. This is so sad, Team Zimbabwe, but there is nothing we can do as the people, because we are under a corrupt regime which is so brutal and heartless at the same time. But we have to work, we have to talk about these issues, we have to work together as a people, have a conversation about these issues and fight up until we realize change. Change shall come to the people of Zimbabwe. Change is coming to the people of Zimbabwe. One way or the other, we will eventually have change in the nation of Zimbabwe. As African Beyond Television Network, we continue to appeal to the people of Zimbabwe, to intercessors, to pray hard for the nation of Zimbabwe. We are getting close to a change in the nation of Zimbabwe for the good of our people. But it seems as if these people, they don't want to go in peace. They simply want to destroy everything and everyone. before they go. But eventually, one day, they will simply have to march. They will simply have to go. It is what it is. We'll continue to watch and see. This is so sad, but this is the news. Tambuzai Makororo has been operated, and it's good news because she was going to have a permanent fracture. This was going to be something which was going to be permanent, a permanent disability. And we are happy that the procedure went well. We hope and believe that justice shall be served. One day, justice shall be served, and the officials who are being used to terrorize our citizens, one day they will have to pay. So this is it. My name is Ronald Wekomakusha. Let us meet in other episodes and other broadcasts.